Okay.
Checking into the Best Western Plus on Dixie Road, just off the airport's campus, from the airport grounds.
Put your phone in your pocket.
Oh, I'm recording. Down here. We're on the 6th floor.
Number 624. That way.
Our shuttle's at 5 a.m. This means we need to be up, dressed, and ready to go by about 4:30 and be downstairs by 4:50. So this is a pretty nice little hotel for Best Western.
Yeah, Best Western's go it is. It's a lot better than the one in Virginia. Again, that was Danville. Okay. Just open the door. Let me see it.
Don't even right. So here is our basket of toiletries. More complimentary than most.
One more. Okay, as much as you want to do a room check, let's go get food.
Just gonna do a quick little. Turns out we do have a family in the connecting room next to us.
Oh, they're a bunch of fat kids.
So that's going to make for a fun little night.
Always on the opposite side.
Yep. I don't know where the a light switch that will suffice.
All right. Shuttle pass. right there.
There's the main bedroom right there. And there's a jetted tub right here.
Shower, the toilet, and all that shenanigans. Alright.
Sitting room, not the last time to really enjoy it, but this is nice. Let's keep this in mind for next trip.
Brooke. It's a freaking sauna.
Oh, look at that. Okay, this place just skyrocketed. Up on the favorability rating. Oh.
But anyway.
Okay, we're gonna go get food. But there's the Best Western deluxe suite accommodation on the 6th floor, top floor, the Best Western Plus Airport on Dixie Road. We are going to go get some food and then probably take a shower and pass out for a couple hours. But thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the air.